Hello all, Mr. Harris here. I'm going to show you how to create really cool glow effects like this, particularly if you're looking at the work of Magdiel Lopez. So I'm going to start here. I've got an image of the artist himself and I'm going to select the ellipse tool, shortcut U, and I'm going to create an ellipse around about his head, going for like a saintly icon image. Now the ellipse control tools, once I'm on the tool, are up here, so you can choose your fill, you can choose your stroke if you want a different colour. Just select like that. Go for white on this one. I'm going to position it behind his head. Now on FX, I'm going to go on the outer glow. I've got this set up as I want it, but you can always, change the opacity and the spread and the size in order to get the halo-like effect that you're looking for. You can also create neon rectangles here. I'm going to make sure that I've on a completely different new layer. I'm going to create a rectangle around the artist's face. What I'm going to do, make sure that there's no fill whatsoever and choose a very, very light colour for my neon. I might choose yellow this time, make it as close to white whilst remaining somewhat colourful. I'm going to hide this beneath him. Then I'm going to go back onto effects, outer glow, and instead of using a white outer glow here, I'm going to make sure that I choose an intense version of the colour that I'm looking for, which was a yellow, and an intensely bright version of that colour. You can see how this is now starting to look a neon effect. You can change the blend mode as well if you want to change it. That looks interesting. I might keep it like that. So there you go, how to add glow effects in the style of Magdiel Lopez.